China has outlined new regulations on officials' travel expenses with aims to promote less waste. According to the regulations, officials at the department and bureau levels can only take economy class while traveling by air. Only officials at the ministerial level will be allowed to take first class. Meanwhile, in terms of accommodations, the regulations state that officials at bureau and department levels can only stay in standard rooms, while ministerial level officials can stay in larger suites. It also urges all officials to abide by the rules, warning that violators will be punished. The new regulations comes as the CPC Central Committee called on officials to practice frugality as government revenues see slower increases than in previous years.